I'm Smita. I've been a part of this SSVM institutions for 10 years. This has been a second home to all of us where we have had so many good memories and learned the core values of life. Now, it is time to capture all the memories and cherish it forever.
First and foremost, I would like to thank our management for their indomitable spirit and support in shaping us into what we are today. It's been 9 years since my onset of the journey in this eminent school, from grade 4 to grade 12. Now the crucial time has come, the board exam, and we are preparing seriously for our exams, for the upcoming revision test and then the board exam. So first and foremost, I would like to thank our teachers for their unwavering support and guidance in shaping us, and also their care and concern to shape our moral values. We've been as a family, as a team, for sharing laughter, sharing food, and sharing everything, and we have faced challenges together. So this synergic bonding shall never be shattered. This intimate bonding shall never be broken forever.
I'm Ovia Shri and I'm studying in the school from my grade 2, that is from 2014, and now it's 2024 and it's been a decade, and these 10 years of my life were the best, I would say, in my school life. And one of the most important thing I would like to remember about the school life is the Leader in Me program they organized in my 11th grade, that is last year. It was a blast. Like I had a lot of learnings from the program, and it was a 3-day program where we had to talk about ourselves, talk to our friends about all the emotions we contained about them. And then I also actually, made me understood about a lot of my friends who I have been not talking, or I came to know what everybody is actually. And we also danced, that was very fun. And then we had a very peaceful and very joyful session. We also had an NSDR, that was like the best. We had a non-sleep rest session, that was also a very good new thing that the school has done for us. And I have a lot of things in these 10 years have been happened to me by the school. And if I start talking about that will take another decade to complete. So that's it. Leader in Me was the best in my 11th grade. Thank you.
This is Ashmita NP here. Wow, the day has come, our farewell. Well, some teachers might call it the end of the era of chaos. Looking back, this school wasn't just a place, it was a roller coaster ride. We've all had a highs such as the sports day, events, and those rare moments where teachers would cancel their classes and leave us for PT. And lows such as surprise test, exam, or we pretend as if we understood our physics and math class. To my classmates, especially my roommates, you guys are more than just friends. You are my partner in crime, my co-conspiration in sneaking snacks. And you are the people who turned every boring moment into an hilarious memory. I can never forget my grade 11 CCLS period, as only 11A used to have it, and it is because of our class teacher. And the sole backbone behind this is our correspondent ma'am. So I heartfully thank her for such a wonderful program. And to all the other teachers out there, I know we've tested your patience, but you are the ones who not only taught us how to think, but also taught us how to believe in ourselves, more facts and formulas. We will be grateful for that. And maybe the world out there may not be ready for us. But hey, we weren't ready for Monday mornings either, but still we can't quit it, right? So to all those memories, the laughters, the magic we created right here, It is not a goodbye, just a small pause until we meet next time. Probably in some group chat. So until then, goodbye. I'll miss you all.
I joined the school 8 years before, and it was really by chance. It was really a twist of fate because I never really expected to come here. SSVM is truly a wonderful school for me because I learned many things. I met many people, so many like-minded people, and people I really cherish right now. And I've joined the NCC and got the best cadet in Coimbatore, and I'm thankful for that because it makes me proud and confident. I've learned so much, like I've learned discipline, confidence, and more. And I can never thank enough for the school to provide me this wonderful opportunity. And this is one way I'm trying to repay. And in the future, I'll continue to repay as much as I can. And to the people all listening to this, hope you also have a wonderful year ahead.
I've been a part of SSVM since 2015. Since then, it has been a great part of me. Thanks for our correspondent ma'am and sir for that. They have designed a school which gives you a holistic development, and our school is really doing good in that. The teachers of our school is really amazing. They not just teach you about the studies, also they teach you about values and how to respect others. I'm glad that I've been a part of SSVM.
Hi, I'm Pradakshna, and I've been in this school for about 7 years. And I have a ton of memories that I could say, but one of my favorites would be the 2023 conclave. Well, because I was 10th, I really couldn't participate in it, but we had to decorate the whole school. And that time it created an opportunity for me to become close with my friends and bond more with them. And ever since then, we've been inseparable. And the only thing that we've done right is create a ton of memories. The one thing that I learned from this school would be that no matter how hard you fall, you have to get up stronger. And that's only up on you. And your friends act like a catalyst for you to get up to the top. Thank you.
My name is Kritik Mithilan. I'm studying in the school from LKG. Throughout these years, SSVM has been a very fun place. I've had a lot of fun memories here. A great memory for me would be getting elected as the Galapagos House captain. Being the captain taught me a lot of things and gave me many good memories. And especially the tent for sports day was a great memory. All my friends and juniors worked together for this tent, and we actually won the overall tent award, and I'll always remember that memory. Thank you.
As I stand here before you all, my heart is heavy, yet filled with gratitude. This moment feels surreal, like the final chapter of the cherished book that I never wanted to end. As we prepare to step into a new phase of our life, I cannot help but reflect on the countless memories that we have created together. These walls have witnessed our laughters, our struggles, our failures, our growth, everything. The school has been more than just a building. It has been a home, a sanctuary where we found friendship that soon turned into family, lessons that shaped our characters, and teachers who ignited our dreams. To all of my teachers, you guys are the soul of this institution. Your guidance, your patience, and your unwavering belief in us has been an anchor. Your words will forever echo in our hearts, reminding us to strive harder and harder for excellence and goodness in everything we do. And of course, to all of my friends and fellow mates, thanks for being the constant light in my life. Thanks for all the shared laughters, shared struggles, and shared dreams. Days with you all feel so memorable that I would always come back and look. And also, thanks for being my biggest strength. And saying goodbye to you all feels like leaving a part of my soul behind and walking away. As we prepare to leave, I want to say this one thing. Life happens, life will take us on different paths, but the bond we have created together here will forever bind us together. And with a heart full of gratitude and tears of farewell, I say thank you and love you all. I'm not going to say goodbye, but instead, see you soon, with a tiny little hope that our journey will cross again. Thank you.
Guess what? I can hardly believe the school chapter of our life is getting over. These past 2 years, SSVM has been a learning journey of growth, discovery, and of course, unforgettable memories. We spent countless hours chit-chatting in the classrooms, laughing in the hallways, and whatnot. Firstly, I would like to thank my educators who have been with me for the past 2 years. They have showed me supporting dedication and of course appreciation also. All of them have been more than educators. They have been mentors, guiders, and sometimes the word of friend can also be applied. Thank you for pushing us to the best versions of ourselves. Although I've only spent 2 years in SSVM, I have learned a lot of things. I have learned to be self-independent, make informed decisions, and of course, certain values also. All of this will be with me to the end of my life. I would like to thank all my fellow classmates for the enjoyment that they have given to me for the past 2 years, be it cramming for examinations or chit-chatting or just supporting each other at sports events. I really hope that our friendship will be with all of us till the end of our life. I really wish you all success, happiness, and fulfillment to the end of your life. Thank you.
Certain incidents become memories and certain memories stay close to our heart forever. One such memory for me is the memory that I had with my class. I never knew that I'm going to have such a wholesome experience when I stepped into my class when I was coming to the class 11. Every day when I come into this class, I have something or the other that makes me laugh, something or the other that I learned, and something or the other which makes me understand my purpose of life. As a class, maybe our strength is low, but we have always stood for each other. We've always been supportive.
So as she said, we all entered the class as different individuals who knew nothing but just our names. But now as we leave, we knew the different perspectives of each other, our flaws, our plus, and how to, make us a better person in life and everything. I guess being in 12D was not just a memory, but an wholesome incident that we'll remember until our life.
Maybe we never fit into what our seniors created for us or what our teachers expected, but I think we have created something unique for us, which we will cherish for our life, and these days will never come back to us, and we'll never forget these days as well.
As I stand here today, my heart is filled with immense pleasure and my mind is overflowing with memories that I've earned all these 14 years. SSVM has not only given me knowledge, but also special people who will always be tangled in my heart. Special thanks to my parents, teachers, friends, and educators and the management to make my life more memorable and magical. SSVM also helped me to explore myself and find who am I. I am Uttara Jagan. This 24-25 batch will surely be a remarkable milestone in this SSVM journey. Thank you.
As I stand here, saying goodbye to a school I absolutely love, I'm struck by two overwhelming feelings: gratitude and sheer panic at leaving behind a place I truly love. SSVM has been my second home, where the teachers didn't just teach, they inspired. They didn't just assign homeworks, they gave us life lessons clearly disguised as trigonometry problems. While I'm still searching the X in my real life, I know for sure that the knowledge I've gained will serve me well. To my dearest teachers, you have been one of my greatest supports since grade 3, and I'm truly grateful to that. The way you teach is something I truly admired. The bond you've created with each of us is surreal, and memories of your classes are forever etched in my heart. To my friends, thank you for everything. Thank you for the smiles, the snacks shared, and every whisper was the answer to that question. It has been a truly amazing time with you all. And finally, as I say goodbye to this chapter, just one small advice for the underclassmen. Cherish these moments, because before you realize, you'd be the one giving this farewell speech. So trust me, it's not easy as it looks. So finally, let's rise a virtual toast to the bonds we've made, the friends, the family, and the teachers, the knowledge we've gained, and for everything. Let's hope.
It's not the end. You may have witnessed everything that we do in our school. We have had so many good memories here. The exams that we write, the way we do it, and the way we play in the ground and everything just stays in my mind. It can never be taken out. And it may be the same for everyone. It will stay as evergreen in our minds throughout our life. As we step on to the next chapter of our life, we'll make sure that we carry all these memories. The next phase of our life will have so many good memories too, but we'll make sure that we'll have all these memories too. And I wish everyone success in everything that you do in your future. I wish to see the incredible things that you will accomplish in your future. Thank you one and all for everything. It's been a true privilege and honor to me to be a part of you all. Thank you once again. This is Smita signing off.